because, what's it called? What's the name of the song, Candace? Something station? It has 3 movements.
Terrapin, like a turtle.
It has 3 movements or sections. It may be called some sort of symphony, but I think more of a fantasy, really. Is it supposed
It's
to say?
Fantasia. Symphony and
think of
Fantasia
it.
are 2 different types of
But
music.
this is supposed to say, I think of.